Greetings everyone! Here is how you can create a before and after image slider on WordPress. Now to create the image slider. Let's first log into the WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in. Now go to Media. Here are the two images we have already uploaded. And we want to use these images as before and after. Now, in order to do that, let's create a new page. Go to Pages and Add Page. I will open in a new tab. And let's give it a title, say Slider. And here choose Custom HTML block. Now we have everything here, so let's open this. Let's first copy this div class. And paste it here. Now in here, we need to replace this image. Before and after. So in our media, open the image and copy the URL. And replace it here. Likewise. Let's copy the image URL of this as well. So this is done. Let's publish the page. And let's view the page. So here are our images. And of course it doesn't look nice. We now need to make some changes. Go back to your dashboard. And go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Functions.php. Scroll down. And we will add some codes here. So we will add this script. So copy this script. And paste it here. And update file. So this is done. Let me refresh the page. So the slider is working. Now we need to adjust with the CSS. For that, go to Customize. And go to Additional CSS. And here is the CSS we are going to use. Copy the CSS. And paste it here. Please note you can add the CSS anywhere, where your theme permits. So this looks all nice. And the slider also works great. Let me publish this. And close this. And refresh this page. And the before and after slider works all great. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.